Tesla has flashed a new signal. What is that? If you have Tesla and if you want to buy Tesla, please pay attention to this video. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you learn more and make more. If you want to make more, click like right now. So now we look at Tesla. Tesla is one of my favorite stocks. Basically, we cover it the entire video, right? So basically, if you follow my channel, you're buying here, you're buying here, you buy here, and you buy here. And I tell you to keep the stock. So if you follow my channel, you understand stock, we need to have three things to understand when to buy, when to sell. One, look at the trend line. Okay. It is a upward trend or downward trend. Number two is the fund movement. Okay. Is it any fund coming in or they are leaving the stock? Number three is the buy sell port. So with my indicator, this is an exclusive indicator. You can subscribe every month. And so look at this. Blue is the regular trend line. So basically this one to tell you is an upward trend or downward trend. And now it is upward trend. The purple is super long investor. Okay. If you're a super long investor, you're buying here, you're buying here, buying here, buying here, buying here. Okay. The blue is the long-term investor as well, but the purple is even more long-term. Okay. So if you buy with purple, you sell with purple. So what does it mean? When they go above the purple, they change direction, right? So you buy, and then so from downward trend, you can clearly see from downward trend, they are going to upward trend. So you buy here, you buy again here. And we don't have any sell signal so far for super long-term investor. So for long-term investor, if you buy with the blue, you don't have any sell signal neither. So for the short-term investor, for the short-term trader, if you buy with the red, like here, you have a sell signal here. One thing is, by the way, this is only for education purpose. We don't recommend any trade here, okay? I just want to teach you how to look at the trend. We drop below the red line. The red line is still going upward. We're still going upward. So you may reduce the holding here if you're a short-term investor. Don't tell me you buy here and then you want to become a long-term investor. No, you do short and then you sell short. Okay, if you buy long, you can choose to sell short also if you want to trade more. But if you're long-term investor mindset, you should try to stay with the long-term strategy. Okay, so if you're short-term, don't tell me on the halfway. The more ridiculous one is like you buy halfway here. So it's not even short-term, it's not even long-term, it's not even super long-term. So I don't know what is your the problem is you don't have a cut loss. The cut loss is too far away. That's why you need to stick with your strategy. If you buy here, and where is the cut loss? Whereas we will still make profit, but the reward risk ratio is not really good, right? Okay, so now back to the point. We have a sell signal here. And now we look at the fund movement for short-term investor. Now we look at the movement. YM big buy is the big volume trade. Okay, above zero is strong, and green is net buy, red is net sell. Okay, so now we have a red candle here. You mean net sell, right? So what happened is this purple line is the moving average of this YM big buy. So the moving average is not yet going below. It's not yet going below. So we still have one chance to go back up. Okay, if this candle, so let me mark a point here. This one, 436. This is a small support here. We don't have resistance above. So sky is the limit. So basically, they come back and the red, this YN club fast is still going upward. You may reduce your holding or stop gain here. You buy here. You're making from 348 to right now 440. So which is quite good profit for very short term. So let me measure it. So if you're a short-term investor, basically in 10 days, you're making quite good profit, right? So more than that, actually. you're making 40% in 10 days. Okay, 40% in 10 days, which is quite good, So if you are using the blue, you're still holding it and you're making almost a double. So if you follow my channel, congratulations. And if you follow um the class, okay, we don't give you any trading recommendation here, okay. So back to the point. So now we have a buy signal, a sell signal here, and we can observe if this one go back because the red line is still going upward. You can stop loss if the one who want to buy, if they go up again, this red line, this is a short-term buy signal again. Okay, and also the YM chippers need to go above this purple line also to make this is strong. If they go above, it's strong, because when you buy the stock, you want them to go strong, right? You don't want them to go weak and come down again very quickly. No, you want to buy strong. So what happened is two things. If you're a short-term investor, when they go above this red line and the YM chippers go above this purple line, this is one of the buy signal. Or purple, or this green line here also possible. This is institution. This is big volume trade. So either one is good, because if you trade with short-term strategy, this is also good. YM big buy is also good because they are very fast. Because look at this, institution holding, they are not really they are not really dropping. They stay very stable because they are long-term investors. They are institution, maybe pension inside, maybe some other. Imagine how many pensions inside, right? So because the trend from long-term downward trend, if you look at Tesla, I want you to look at the trend. If you have my indicator, it's much easier to catch when exactly they are moving. Because if you use other, let's say if you use other indicator, it will be very slow. So if you don't have my indicator, let's say, you can also draw a trend line like this to catch, hey, this point is the point to buy. Yes, but if you use my indicator, you can tell it's here. It's right here. It's a big difference. This is 220. My one is 165. What do you think? What do you think? And even here, you can catch another wave also. Is it cool? This is super long-term trader, by the way. If you use this YM Club Long, you can catch even more wave. Even more. Like from here to here. From here to here. From here to here. From here to here. From here, right now we don't have any sell signal. It's still going upward. Okay. Is it possible they go back to the previous peak? Yes. I don't know. I'm not crystal ball, but I want to tell you something. If you have my indicator or if you have your strategy, please stick with your strategy. So if you want to be a long-term trader, trade with the blue. The best is they come back to the blue. The blue is still going up. So with the time, maybe go more above, maybe really go up again to the previous peak, which is 410 for the long-term investor to get in. Okay, if you're a short-term investor, you just follow the red line, which is YM Club Fast. And as I mentioned, when they have a trend line changing, remember, you think the institution, let me hide this one because I want you to have a longer mindset. If you are institution, you think institution buying here, the right hand side or the left hand side? You tell me, okay? I want to tell you some concept about trading. Some people don't understand. Institution use the left strategy to buy stocks. They buy before they break the resistance. Why? Because they are the main factor to change the trend line. To change, imagine this is the boat, like a big ship, big boats, big cruise in the ocean. They're going into one direction, let's say going downward, like a boat's going downward. If you want to change the boat's direction to opposite direction, what do you do? What do you do? You need to give more fire, right? More oil to push the boat to change the direction, right? So what is that in the trading market? This is capital fund, big fund, not your money, not my money, but the big institution money. That's why I have my indicator called YM chip entry to tell you, hey, institution come in, institution come in, institution come in. They are screaming you to tell you, hey, this red bar is screaming already, okay? So here, to tell you, hey, we are adding money, we are buying this stock, okay? So after they bought, you see the whole trend from downward trend, they change to upward trend, okay? So this is a very cool indicator. I use it a lot. So people ask me, hey, I should buy stock here or here. So both make money. Both make money. Depends how much money you have. Okay? If you have a lot like Warren Buffett or like if you're a billionaire, maybe you may consider to buy earlier because you can buy many, many times. If you are individuals, normal regular people, you can buy after the trend changing. So it's up to you. Also, it's quite psychologist because when the green candle happen, it just tell you this is a relative low point. It doesn't mean this is a right away they boom, jump up. No, it doesn't mean that. If you want to jump up, you need to use YM Club Long and YM Cheapest to tell you when they have enough stock, when the institution have enough stock and they're willing to pull up the price, they will go all the way. So that one you need to look at YM cheapest. When you want the price go up stably, you need institution, not individual. Okay? Even YM big buy is for big volume trade. This one doesn't mean this is institution. This can mean like people with big fund. I don't mean millions, but I mean more. Okay, big fund, you use this one. This is the filter to screen out small buyer and big buyer and institution. So this is a very cool indicator. YM chip entry, I love it because it gives me confidence. Where is the bottom? Where is the bottom? When they change the direction, let's say I look at YM Club super long first. I will get back to you because I want you to really make money from the stock market. When you use YM Club super long, you will see the trend very easily, right? Okay, now when we buy here, look, any institution come in just before us. Look at here. We have green candle here. Do you have confidence to buy in now? Yes. Is it easy? Yes. You just look at YM Club Long or YM Super Long, the best buy point because they even go above both line. And they have a lot of green chips here. You mean institution come in before us? Yes. We have the factor. Yes. We have the element to pull the price up. So it's good. Okay. You can also screen to weekly chart, even to tell you more clearly where is the big fund come in. Longer time frame is better. Longer time frame is always better because it's more stable. Look at this. If you buy here 100, you are like a superhero. If you buy here, even here 176, superhero. This is 2-week chart, by the way. Okay, they don't flash very often. In the history record, they only have 4 area. 1, 2, 3, 4, and each area represent the low point at that time. Okay, so if we look at the monthly chart, we don't have monthly chart. We only have one spot here, which is 2019. You miss it, you miss it. That's it. And then they fly to the sky. Okay. So back to the point. Now we go back to a daily chart first. We go back to daily chart. Now I tell you the short term YM Club fast, we drop below. Okay. If they don't go back up above the red, we don't have buy signal. So we need to observe if now we have a sell signal. By the way, I don't recommend you any trade here, only for education, to teach you this indicator. And this is a very good indicator to tell you what's going on. So this is Tesla. And before my video also mentioned, before Christmas, no, I don't recommend anything, but I would say they have a risk to come back down. This is S&P 500. Look at this one big candle. This is something you need to pay attention to. Okay, but again, the trend is still good. It's still go upward. But if if you want to buy stock, you may think twice before. Okay, now is not the time to buy. It's the time to sell. Okay, I don't recommend any trade, by the way, here. I only tell you the education. There's a risk. The stock may come down. So around Christmas time. So maybe it's good time to sell to reduce stock if you have profit already. Okay. And it's also a good time when to buy back. I would say after this we'll have signal very soon. We'll have signal come back very soon. So but I want you to understand the risk reward management, the risk management. When they come down, people tend to keep the stock, but you don't know how far they will go down and how long they will go down. So if you can stop the gain, it's good. Okay, if you can stop the gain, it's good. And look at this. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at this. YM chip entry. Enter here. They enter the low point here. Okay, so is it really, really bad right now? No, I think it's a temporary pullback here. If you look at the YM chippers, it's still okay. It's still okay. It's a normal thing. Okay, so I want everyone a good holiday. Let's look at the Coinbase. So I think a few days ago I uploaded a video about Coinbase. We were struggling because we have some cup and handle problem, right? From the previous peak. If you look at the monthly chart, so now you understand what I'm talking, right? Yesterday down by 10%, 10%. So if we look at here, I told you we are forming a cup and candle thing. So some stock like MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is a bit different. It's not cup and candle because it's already creating a high. But again, if you look at the daily chart, look at here. We give signal basically you buy with the blue, you sell with the blue. So you're making crazy profits. So look at here, 200% in 58 trading days. Okay, so right now we below the blue. We don't have any buy signal for MicroStrategy this moment. Okay, they even drop below the red down from this price here. Okay, we don't have any buy signal, sell signal, because sell signal is here for short-term investor. So yeah, I just want you to understand, if you buy with the blue, sell with the blue. If you buy with the red, sell with the red. Don't buy short-term strategy, and then your mindset is a long term. Oh, I buy, and then they drop, you don't cut loss, and then you change your mindset. Oh, I want to become a long-term investor. No, you're wasting your money. Okay, so I want you to have this mindset. So this is the update today. And also look at the YM big buy here. It's very clear. You look at here, they drop, they didn't go above zero here, even before the FED announced their interest rate, right? So I don't even pay attention to those news because the fund moved before the news somehow. You see here, they didn't go above the zero. They didn't do it. Even they dropped below right here. You see here? So everyone have a good holiday season, and I will update you more video about Tesla, what's going on, or Bitcoin, what's going on. I see you next video. Happy weekend. Bye.